request? Did you just read my mind?
I think I might have.
He's a mind reader. I told you he was talented. Now, family and friends, I want you to come with me on a journey far away from Frontierland as we check out The Little Mermaid, a musical adventure. Here to tell us a little bit more and give us a behind-the-scenes look from the Disney Live Entertainment team, we have Sarah Schmidt and James Silson. Hey, Sarah, good to see you. Thanks for being here. James, good to see you. Come on, have a seat, join us. Well, I gotta tell you, I love The Little Mermaid. I mean, who doesn't? Who doesn't? Let's dive right in here. James, we all know that there's a Little Mermaid show in Hollywood studios. There was one before. This is not the first version of The Little Mermaid. So how is this production different?
Well, Matt, The Little Mermaid, A Musical Adventure is an all-new theatrical production inspired by the classic The Little Mermaid. So we're telling Ariel's story that everybody knows and loves through her unique viewpoint as a young, empowered, strong heroine who, heads off on a journey to find where she belongs.
I absolutely love what I'm hearing here. So what can guests expect to see in this new production?
Well, this is really a brand new show, as I just mentioned. So we've tried to build all those things that the guests loved from the previous one, but we've designed all new physical sets, built a whole new cast of puppets. We even added some beautiful visuals to bring the story to life in ways that we've never done before, and I'm super excited about that. The other thing is, of course, I think the most famous part of Mermaid really is the songs, right?
Oh,
we all love the songs. So this will include all the songs from the previous production, but also 2 new ones I'm excited to announce. One is Daughters of Triton, and the other is a favorite of mine, Kiss the Girl.
Kiss a Girl, and we got the mind reader over here already playing it. I love it. That's one of my favorite songs. I can't wait for that scene. Let's see what we got here. What's going on? All right, I think we're gonna have to share.
We're gonna share. That's okay. We share. The Little Mermaid has always been one of my absolute favorite Disney movies, and it's been so much fun collaborating with all of our different teams on this project. So for this show, you can see in this piece, we've created an entirely new artistic aesthetic that connects all of our visual elements together, from the puppets to the performers' costumes, the scenic, and as you can see here around the proscenium, it's this really exciting new look that is a collage of all of Ariel's hopes, dreams, favorite things.
I kind of see that. It does look like a collage. How did you arrive at this style?
Yeah, as James said, we're totally focused on telling the story through Ariel's point of view. So it's all about, a teenager would decorate their bedroom wall with things that are important to them, things that really tell us about their personality, and Ariel's grotto kind of serves that same purpose. So it's all about fun and really diving into her bubbly personality. And again, that's totally informed all of the visual design decisions that we've made on this show, including both our physical assets as well as some supporting digital content as well.
I love that. Now, you've both mentioned visual and digital content. James, can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, sure. This one.
Yeah, there we go.
We really look at technology as a way to enhance the show, make it feel even bigger. So for example, the concept of Under the Sea, Ariel, who is a live performer, is performing next to Sebastian and other characters who are all live puppets, and then they're surrounded by digital puppets that exist in the virtual space that are animated by our team. So there's this perfect blend of reality and fantasy in a way that I think is going to be really quite surprising for our audience. So all the physical props, the scenery, the puppets, the actors you expect from all of our musical productions are still there at the forefront. You're going to see these large physical set pieces we've created, but they're all going to blend seamlessly with this digital environment, and it's really going to fill the stage. It's transformative, I'd say it's a bit magical.
It is. It definitely is magical. I mean, it looks like magic right there. How are you pulling that off?
Well, we have to lean into certain technology, as I said, and one of the things we're queuing in on is a motion capture technology, which you probably have seen in many of our blockbuster films.
Oh,
It's a great way of bringing that character to life. So here you see in this video, an actor is wearing a bodysuit, has all these little sensors on it. There's a lot of cameras around her, is taking in everything she's doing, and then is going into an animated version of, you know, it could be Ursula, it could be King Triton, it could be the sisters, these characters we haven't seen in our show before, fully realized. And so it's super, super exciting.
That's incredible. I love it.
Yeah, so not only are we going to see Ursula live on stage, but we're also going to see our team of incredible animators and visual effects designers take all of this motion capture performance and translate it into a larger-than-life animated version of Ursula that Ariel and Eric will be battling against in our epic battle sequence. Now, all over this show, we really harkened back to animation history and a multi-plane camera, so we're creating lots of different layers of visual that you can almost reach into and see all of the different layers of physical and digital scene working together. It'll be super cool.
Cool does not even seem to cover it.
I think Sarah said it best when she said epic. That battle scene's gonna be epic.
Yes, I cannot wait. There's so many things that you said are just so exciting. I can't wait to see the show. Now, you can't miss it, everybody. The Little Mermaid, a musical adventure on stage at Disney's Hollywood Studios, opening later this year. Sarah, James, thank you so much for being here.